don't open credit lines that you can't have.
Mm-hmm.
For young kids, if you can get on a credit profile early to build up that credit while they're younger, that's great. But as soon as they're out of the house with their keys, what happens, right? They're going to be out there rogue, hopefully making good choices.
Yeah.
So, I mean, making good choices is the absolute overarching theme of this whole thing. I would think credit's great, but only in control.
But things do happen, like you said, medical debt, divorce, right?
Yep.
Like that's not cheap. I can't tell you how many. Yeah, there are some dumb stories out there. Like what are you thinking? But then there's also some really sympathetic stories too. Divorce, a death of a spouse, like that's heartbreaking. A kid gets sick, like that's the worst, man. And it's hard to deal with, because we all have that. We're married, we have kids, so you sympathize with that, but it's also you have to step back and paint the reality. Like, look, this happened. But also the good thing is all this is temporary, right? And that's one thing I tell people about credit. Like, that doesn't make or give you an excuse to be reckless and stupid, right? Because it can cloud you for some time, right? But just know there's a right way to get out of it, and you can get out of it and rebuild it. I mean, look, man, like, my story is perfect. Learn from my parents. I had great credit out the box.
Mm-hmm.
An economy problem that affected a lot of people beat me down. I came back and, here again, so it's just, it's a never, don't repeat the cycle.